Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to launch next month, and this will be the biggest flagship phone of the Xiaomi 15 series. Just like every year, we see a Ultra model which always launch a bit late. Anyways, today I have some crispy news for you. We have hands-on video of Xiaomi 15 Ultra along with the major specs of the phone. So as you can see, this is how the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is going to look like. It is pretty much same as of the last year's Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Like it has that same circular camera layout. It still has 4 rear cameras, but their alignment is a bit different now, and there are 2 LED lights. The camera specs have also been shared by some sources. We might see a 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto unit, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. And if we talk about the front side, you can see that we have flat display with a punch hole selfie shooter. Now we don't have the specs of the display yet, but what we are expecting is 6.73 inches display with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. One of the main highlights of this phone is going to be its charging speed and chipset. Xiaomi 15 Ultra is coming with 6000 milliamps of huge battery with 90 watts of wired charging and 50 watts of wireless charging, which is insane. I mean, the wired charging is great, but 50 watts of wireless charging is something really impressive because a lot of other well-known brands are still not able to get up to this mark. The chipset in this Xiaomi 15 Ultra will definitely be Snapdragon 8 Elite, the latest one from Qualcomm, which is way more powerful and power efficient. There is more stuff you need to know. Today we got to see some of the memory configurations of Xiaomi 15 Ultra and the color options as well. Xiaomi 15 Ultra will have 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB storage, which is confirmed, and it might have other options too. And for the colors, there will be 3 options: black, white and silver. The launch date is not yet confirmed, but it is happening next month for China only and will be launched globally during MWC Barcelona. So that's all for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.